Okay, here we are at the homeowner's house installing the door. We're just about to see if it'll actually fit, so keep your fingers crossed. Even though we actually know it does. Okay, so let's set it up in there. Here we go. Okay. All right, hold it right there. That's good. Let me just get a shot of this real quick. All right, there we go. Look at that. The arch even matches the arch of the house. It's because they sent me that whole template and it worked really good. So everything fits. We got to square everything up on the bottom here, but this is just a rough install to make sure. Now we're about to start shimming it. We'll get the hinge side plumb and get it secured, and then we'll adjust the gaps and everything on the latch side, and then we'll get everything screwed in there. This thing will be put together here shortly. Okay, so we've got it all snugged in. We just have it pin nailed in place, just holding it in where it needs to be here, and everything seems to be working fine. The door closes well. It fits the arch very well. We got nice spacing on both sides. It's perfectly plumb, and the big test of that is, well, does the door move on its own? Nope. Wherever you stop it, it seems to be staying put, so it doesn't swing closed by itself, doesn't swing open by itself. So that's all good. Let's look at it from this side. Yeah, it looks pretty darn good in here. Yeah. Yep, we're liking it. I think the only thing I've got to do, I've got to adjust the striker plate just a tad. It's got to go down about 1/8 of an inch maybe to latch. But other than that, it's closing well. Closes nice and flush. Our gaps are pretty consistent. The top got away from me a little bit here. I'm going to take my block plane later and plane just this little 8-inch stretch down, and that'll make it nice and consistent. And our gaps are pretty good here. Yeah, I like it. It worked out. Okay, bring you back when we're done. Okay, so we're all done. This door is installed. Now I will have to tell you, I got to be honest with you. I drove 1,000 miles to deliver this door and install it, and I was about almost 600 miles into the trip when it dawned on me I had left the casing in my shop. So the homeowner, my son-in-law, has promised that he will put it up and then send me a video that I can add to this and make it look like I actually had my act together and didn't cause that. But it yeah, it looks good. It matches that arch pretty good, really good actually, and our gaps are good, and it opens and closes fine. Had to adjust the latch a little bit, but that was to be expected, and so we are in good shape. So that's that. Once I get the footage from the homeowner with the casing on, I'll put this all together and you'll see it all. Okay, here we are, finished project. Here's a happy homeowners. You guys good with the door?
I love it.
Yeah, we love it.
Perfect.
All right. Yeah, so we got it all done and all installed. And
Thank you. We appreciate it.
you bet. And once again, Dave here, he'll finish the job by putting up the molding when I ship it to him, the casing. So
Yeah, no pressure.
yeah. Anyway, so thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
all right, thank you.
Bye.
Perfect.